when taken by a person, the person becomes the most fortunate, the proudest in the world of fairies, fantasies, poetic creativity, and all the worldly and unworldly literature. Last, he usurped in Duke Senior's throne and sent Duke Senior to banishment, to exile in a dense forest called Forest of Arden. Go away from this place. King left. Now we come back for some time. We come back to Sir Roland D. Wise.
And you will have to be ready for it. There are many ways you can live a very happy life. Problems will come, but you will have to face them with courage. FOMO has resulted due to excessive use of social media.
Not anyone is watching. In the life we live, we make choices every day that only we can answer. We decide how we run our lives and the way we run them defines us. It does the right thing or it the wrong thing. People in
The Section 326A in the Indian Penal Code has split punishments for assaults. The minimum punishment is 10 years of imprisonment and it can.
Today, I am standing before you to speak a few words on the topic integrity, a way of life. There is a perfect saying that perfectly describes integrity. Honesty is telling the truth to honest people, and integrity is telling the truth to our
Robert March, the father, and their 4 daughters, Meg, Joe, Beck, and Amy.
This one's good enough, truly it is.
They are shown as poor
Well, I guess it's time to
people.
handle with the dishes.
Actually, they were not poor, as I said. They have their family values of helping others, and they suffered poverty just because of that. That they paid the debts of their friends and acquaintances. So, these 4 daughters who are living on this side of the fence are very cheery, playful. They have limited resources, still they are happy, very noisy. Father, Robert March, doesn't stay at home because he is a minister, he is a scholar actually. He is a minister in the union. You want to say something?
I want to say something. If you go in another state, then we will learn some different language. And if they are coming to a Indian culture, then we can learn their language also, and as well as.
This is a very good idea. Actually, Indian culture itself supports this particular view that we should add more and more to our own culture to strengthen it. Indian culture is made in such a way that it brings enculturation. It adds more and more to it. Indian philosophy is thinking openly. Right? Lead a life which is open.
We communicate with, so when they are coming, we communicate with the different peoples as well as the language also.
Yeah, Indian philosophy is a way of life which is global, which has got a global outlook. You were talking something about tourism.
Tourism is a sector created in which people from different countries come to our country. So they get to know what are our cultures, what are our traditions, which practice we follow. And in a similar way, we also go to their country.
Excellent. Now you have proved one point. And as we are learning something from them, from the Western culture is also learning something from Indian culture. So that way we are going to become a global culture. So that is the only amicable solution. There will be no war, no clash, no skirmishes. That we become one global village. Because it becomes a way of life. People come here only to admire the beauty of Taj Mahal, or Red Fort, or Elephant Tower, or wherever they go. Right? Similarly, when we go there, we admire the beauty of Eiffel Tower or other things, whatever we see, or Burj Khalifa, or whatever we see, Statue of Liberty, or here the Statue of Unity. So, one time will come when all of us will have same culture, as we would have imbibed common culture across the globe. Right? Yes, he
conducting
is
mock
Mr.
interviews.
David Randall Blythe. Yes, the same Randy Blythe who started his career as a cook, and then he joined Burn the Priest, and then he joined the Lamb of God in the year 1995, and then he joined Hello of Locusts in the year 2004, and then he also gave vocal contributions to Life Once Lost in the album Hunter, and then Iron Gag, and then Skull and Bones in Overkill.
So I went on exploring and I went my own efforts on metal music. So I thought, let's do this.
Oh, so who was your idol in metal music? Rather, which were the bands which stood as a major inspiration for you?
If you ask me about my inspiration,
Do you remember 3 young ladies were inducted in Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in June 2016? Do you remember? And yes, it is the same Bhavna Kant who has graduated from Hawk Jet Trainers to MiG-21 Bison, and it happened on 16th of March 2018. 2 girls from AEJC studying in Standard 11E, Bhagyashree and Gayatri.
Tension, or do you worry how the men may react?
Fighter pilots are not made to fear or be worried about anything. We are just made to make decisions and apply our skills. So there is not at all any point of worry. It's all just adventure and flying.
All these years, there has been in fact a lot of resistance and you have had all kinds of answers. People have said our society is not ready for it.
I wouldn't say that it was very important for me to become a fighter pilot because first of all, I am not here to prove something. We are here to pursue our dreams, and probably this may motivate other women who might have such dreams. Let a he for she society change to she equals to he.
And this, at your age, gets transformed into the battleground when you become an army man. Not necessarily getting a battleground, but in civil world also. You have to fight many battles. In itself. Dear students, say 10 or 20 or 30 years from now, when you become a renowned personality, establish yourself and return to any of the 6 schools or this junior college to touch the walls of your classroom. Let all the weak points of the previous year become your strongest points this year. And shun procrastination. Aaj kare so kal kare so parson. Don't do that. And by doing this, he played a master stroke by making a frontal attack on towering Indian caste system. Here I would like to invite Shreya Murthy of Standard 12A to speak on this occasion.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, agents. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated by the people of India very happily to remember the immense contributions of Vishwaratna Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was the father of Indian Constitution who had drafted the longest written constitution in the world, having approximately 1,45,000 words in the original script, that is the Constitution of India. Having seen discrimination against himself and his family since the early days of his life, Dr. Ambedkar was determined to do something for the rights of these people and give them their due respect and dignity in the society.
Of democracy throughout except for an emergency, and it was federal diversity except for wars. We remained united, we remain republic, and on this day, so therefore I stand and greet all of you.
And the sum of its contradictions. It's a country held together by strong but invisible threads, a myth and an idea, a dream and a vision, yet very real, present and pervasive. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. The month of January brings an aura of patriotism as we have gathered here to celebrate this momentous occasion of 70th Republic Day of our country. Republic Day marks the day India adopted the Constitution and freed itself completely from the shackles of colonialism. The day was chosen for its significance in history when the seeds of a Republican nation were sown at the Lahore session, where our leaders made the historic declaration of Purna Swaraj and marched towards realizing the dream of complete independence from the colonial rule. My friends, let's come together and work on this in the spirit of generation that gave us a republic. India's founding father wrote a constitution for their dreams. We have given passport to their ideals. Let's strengthen our founding values of 20th century if we have to conquer the 21st. On this iconic day, let us not forget the sacrifices made by millions and millions of those freedom fighters who laid down their lives to keep the tricolor flying in its full glory. With freedom in our minds, strength in our words, pureness in our blood and pride in our hearts, let's salute our nation this Republic Day. Jai Hind!
President Karthik. Good morning, students. This lesson, Tiger Hill, which has been written by the 19th Chief of Army Staff, General Vivek Prakash Manek. He was the dead general when Kargil War took place. Unmotorable, unreachable, unmanageable. 3 units of Army, Indian Army, served this 300 km stretch at Siachen Glacier, which is on Karakoram Ranges, and at line of control. Line of control is that imaginary line, de facto border between us and Pak-occupied Kashmir. Whenever you write a blog, it should have a name, right? And then this is the format. There is no strict format of that. But then when you become a blogger, you will find that you have got these buttons. So in this case, I have written like this: my farmland and the village will produce bountiful fruits, vegetables and wholesome grains grown on safe soil. Now what is safe soil? Without any chemical fertilizer, without any pesticides, without any high-yielding varieties. Only humus, right? So, verbs as per structure can be used in 2 ways. One way of using verb is auxiliary. Is there anything you don't know about auxiliary? Let me show you the next slide just to remind you. Is it important from your Maharashtra board examination point of view? Is it important that you will be given one auxiliary form and will be asked to change it to another? Got it? So supposing will is used for must, for would, have, he, she, it will take has. Got it? And had will take the past perfect tense. Next. Now, one thing before we start the tense, the actual year, I wish to show you the contraction. Because most of us do the contraction. This is a list of contraction. For this you know very well, it is I am. Right? Then you see this one. He is, he has, both take this form. Now, how to identify in a sentence whether it is he is or he has? You know well, if it is the next word after this is his writing a story, it means it is not he has, it is his, because ing form is used. So this has got I mutation, sing, sang, sung. So now we are talking about this, you see. And whereas the passive structure will always take the third form. It is always the third verb of V3 which goes. I have eaten an apple. It is present perfect. The passive will be present perfect. Has been eaten. Has been eaten because apple is one it. Whereas this is active tense. You get out. Better still, get out. So what will be the passive? Have I asked this? You are ordered to get out. My next question. Sita is not singing a song. I have changed it to negation form. Sita sings a song. Sita is singing a song because Sita is not singing a song. That he said that within 40 minutes he would bring that love and idleness flower to his master Oberon.
Then get down.
No, you must get down.
But why, my friend?
Seized it and walking off with it. When I caught him with a breeze and caught a robber.
For the horse. That, my lord, is the true statement of the case.
Now let the cripple speak.
My lord, that what has been said is not true. I was on my way to the marketplace, riding my horse, which belongs to me, when I saw a traveler half dead, with the fatigue, in the kindness of my heart. I offered to let him ride with my marketplace. He accepted the offer eagerly and indeed thanked me.
We will give it a chance to everyone, but then, likewise, B section the next week, this will continue. Likewise, those who are good in photography and videography, you are seeing your seniors, they should come forward and meet me. Those who are good in drawing, they should decorate and design our college blackboard when there is any occasion. Now where is that college blackboard? In front of the office. Choose a theme, decorate it, draw it. All of you have got various talents. Utilize them to the fullest extent. Let us know that you know this, you know that. You decorate and make the place, morning assembly as well as the college, more vibrant and colorful. This is what we expect. This is what they means. It means he is seeing retrospectively. So this is 2019. This is 2009. So at this point in time, he says, I have been living here.
If the girl was just your daughter, would they have done the same?
A very good morning to all of you. Today is World Book and Copyright Day. Today, that is 23rd April, is a symbolic day for the literature of this world. Miguel de Cervantes, Shakespeare, and the 17th century Spaniard writer Inca Garcilaso de la Vega died on the same day. This is also the date of birth for various famous novelists in the history like Vladimir Nabokov, a Russian-American novelist, Maurice Druon, a French novelist, and many other prominent novelists in the history. The UNESCO's General Assembly held in Paris in 1995.
Run through. Explain quickly. Hence we can make 12 phrasal words with the word run with different meanings. Thank you.
I'd like you to know a few new words introduced in the dictionary, for which I would call upon Sneha Pelekar of Standard 12N.
Thank you, Diksha. Hello, friends. Now, I would like to throw some light on new words which have been updated in our new version of dictionary. Now, I like to start with the word hashtag. The word means a phrase preceded by the symbol
Inevitable. So, I would like to call upon Amrit Sharma to run through.
Thank you Diksha. Hi friends, my name is Amrit Sharma and I like to express my views on foreign phrases. There are many phrases in English language which have been borrowed from other languages. For example, hartal. It is a Hindi word which is also used in English. Similarly, in loco parentis, it is a Latin phrase meaning in place of parents. Prima facie, it is again a Latin phrase meaning self-evident. This phrase is also used by the police in detection of crime. Ab initio is again a Latin phrase meaning law from the beginning.
It is colloquialism in our daily conversation. Sneha of 12F, please throw some light.
Thank you, Diksha. There are some certain phrases, words and phrases which we use in our daily conversation. The use of colloquialism adds beauty and shows automatic dominance to the speaker. Here I have examples which the first one is a bull in a chaya shop, which means a clumsy or awkward person. The next is a acid test.
Next, I would like to call upon Saraswati Gowda to tell us about a book review.
Thank you, Diksha. Hi friends, you all know this book, Guilty by Choice. I have written a book review on this. The author of this book is Shanti Paramshivam. She is the alumnus of College AEJC. This book is very inspirational.
So today's words are presented by Sonali of 12th K.
Hello friends, today I am here to introduce you all to 5 new words. This was an exercise practiced in our class last year as suggested by Kullar sir. Each one of us would come up with 5 new words daily which he read in any newspaper or magazine, and he or she would write it on the blackboard with their meanings, which we all would copy down in our notebooks. This way we have large number of words today which we use in our daily speaking to improve our communication skills. Today's words are here. First one is vacillating, which means keep a changing mind. At this age we teenagers often vacillate, which means our mind is not stable, it fluctuates. Second one is jibes, which means insult.
हाँ? अच्छे से बात किया तो भी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है? पूरी फिल्म देखी पर फिल्म की कहानी ही नहीं समझ में आई। बहुत तरस आता है तुम जैसी छात्राओं पे। क्या माँ सुनो तो, अरे इसको तो मैं समझा नहीं पाई पर आपको बता रही हूँ। पुस्तक हमारे जीवन का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। पुस्तक द्वारा हम अपनी संस्कृति, हमारी प्राचीन सभ्यता के और नजदीक और उन्हें और समझ पाते हैं। We must not look like failures while composing video or photo essays while writing articles. So let us pay tribute to this day and read at least one book from classics or any of your own choice. Fiction, non-fiction, read, write, from every knick-knack to a real McCoy. Let us watch a video that is an amp story on books and copyright.
Hello Diveshri. Before I start searching the competition bone in myself, and with all humility I ask you, how to chase one passion in today's globalized and networked world?
Beautiful indeed, this infrastructure and my teachers' endeavors. Let me answer you. This is done by doing SWOT analysis. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities